this video, I'll show you how to embed a Google form into your Canva website. Let's start. First, create or open your Google form. For this example, I'll use a basic contact information form. Click the link icon in the top right corner of the Google form and copy the generated URL. You can shorten the link if preferred. Now open your Canva website project. Go to the Apps tab in the bottom left corner. Search for Embed and select the first result. Paste your Google form link into the Embed tool and click Add to Design. Resize and reposition the embedded form anywhere on your web page. Preview it to ensure the form works correctly. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.